the power of the word. Let's allow ourselves to be used of God so that the power He has given us may be the power that is correcting, the power that is reconciling, the power that's rebuking what is evil and what is not evil. We as preachers, sometimes we are also tempted to fall into temptation of compromising the message that the Lord has given us, because sometimes we feel we must make some people happy. I want to tell you for free that God has called all of us only to proclaim His will, and once we proclaim that, we remain stronger than ever before. We become more charged to speak the truth than ever before. How many can fit in the shoes of Raila Odinga today? How many can fit in that shoes today as I speak? I am addressing you when I'm in the Spirit of God to proclaim that God wants us to do things right all the time, everywhere, so that Kenya could be free and all of us could be free to live in a united nation of our republic. That was the wisdom that God had given him. And I want to charge you in the name of God that from today, please, as we honor the right Honorable Raila Odinga, let's see ourselves as Kenya first, not from the point of view of our tribes, of our classes, of regions, where we come from. Kenya is too small to be subdivided into regions. As I conclude, because I was given only 2 hours to preach, now as I conclude, it is hardly a month ago when I had breakfast with Baba. We were with Mama Ida, and we talked about things touching on the church. And one thing I say, I saw a man who was ready to meet God anytime. I saw in him a man who had made peace with God in everything that he said and everything that he did. I saw in him a man who was ready to walk the journey with the Lord at whatever level. A humble servant that many people never listened to. A man who believed in God that many people did not know. I tell you, as his bishop, he is a person that we have lost. He is a person who was at the heart of our diocese. Some people think that for you to be a good churchman, people must see how you give. Sometimes you give by the right hand, the left hand may not have to know what you have given. A person who knew how to work for his Lord. That is the person whose life we are celebrating today. And I want to say without contradiction, Your Excellency the President, what you have done, this service and the state honor, there is no one